Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do using the zero kicks that we've already learned. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. Channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the second set of combos for level 1.4, as well as going over the Vanish transition for the first time. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. A Vanish transition is anytime you land with one leg, followed by your second leg, and then take off with the first leg, followed by the second leg. So you're basically taking off the same way that you landed. And remember, a transition isn't a trick itself, it's just the movement that happens in between two tricks. The first combo that we're gonna get in today is a cheat zero round to a cheat zero round. You're gonna do your cheat zero round and land in a frontside stance, and from there you're set up to do your second cheat zero round. And you can land in a frontside stance or follow through with the kick on this, doesn't matter. The second combo is gonna be a cheat zero round to a cheat zero hook. So you're gonna start off doing your cheat zero round and follow through with your round kicking leg back to a backside stance. And from there, you're set up to do your cheat zero hook kick. Third combo is gonna be a swing zero hook to a swing zero hook. Now this one can be kind of tricky, just like the pop zero hook to pop zero hook that we did in the last video. So you're gonna do your swing zero hook and land in a backside stance. Now again, when I do this transition, it is a little bit easier for me to bring my legs together and then go into my second swing zero hook. But again, you can also do it with your legs a little bit more apart if it is easier for you. The last combo is gonna be a swing zero hook to a swing zero round. So you're gonna do your swing zero hook and a follow through to a frontside stance. And from there, you're set up to do your swing zero round kick. If you're having any trouble with these combos, I recommend you just work on them slowly, and then as it gets easier, you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this content coming. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the third set of combos for this level, which we'll be using a reversal transition to do. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.